Thank you, 1,000 thanks to you. Here we go. I'm the birds and the bees. I'm the birds and the bees. The birds and the bees, the birds and the bees, and the birds and the bees. I bring love, I bring the rain. I bring hate without a pain. Do you love or do you hate? Do you love or do you hate? If you love, stand up and shout. Stand up and shout. Shout it out, shout it out, shout it out. I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. If you hate, get on your knees. On your knees, on your knees, on your knees. No more pain, no more pain, no more pain. I'm the birds and the bees. The birds and the bees and the birds and the bees. On your knees or in between. On your knees, on your knees, on your knees, on your knees. I'm the birds and the bees. I bring love, I bring the rain. I bring hate out of the pain. Do you love or do you hate? Do you love or do you hate? Do you love or do you hate? If you love, stand up and shout. I love you, I love you, I love you. I'm the birds and the bees. The birds and the bees, the birds and the bees, and the birds and the bees. I bring love, I bring the rain. I bring hate out of pain. Do you love or do you hate? Do you love or do you hate? If you love, stand up and shout. Shout it out, shout it out, shout it out. I love you, I love you, I love you. You hate, get on your knees. No more pain, no more pain, no more pain. I'm the birds and the bees, I'm the birds and the bees. I bring love, I bring the rain. I bring hate out of pain. Do you love or do you hate? Do you love or do you hate? Do you love or do you hate? If you love, stand up and shout. I love you, I love you, I love you. If you hate, get on your knees. No more pain, no more pain, no more pain. I'm the birds and the bees. I bring love, I bring the rain. I bring hate out of pain. Do you love or do you hate? You should have stand up and shout. Shout it out, shout it out, shout it out.
The Hicksville road test site. This is where you start. Have a look around. That's it. Good luck.
It's gonna make you pick up your feet, move and swing, let the vibe move with you. Jump, jump. When you feel it, jump, jump. Your hands and feet are gonna move and swing. Move. With your hands, ready? Swing front, swing back, hold them high. Don't move. Now your feet, ready? Step left, step in, step right, step in, turn around. Jump, jump, move. With your hands high. Swing left, swing right, swing left, swing right, swing left. Hold them high. Move your fingers.
Okay, question number 2. After I pass the road test, what happens then? You will not get a license at the time when you pass the test. You must go online. The DMV examiner does give you a contact or a website you can go to view your results. After 5 p.m. in New York State, you can see your results online. You may print the form out that you see, whether it's pass or fail. If you pass, you print the form out and keep that along with your permit when you drive. Your license comes in the mail after 2 weeks. It could be longer, but usually comes in the mail within 2 weeks after you pass the road test. So what happens if you pass your road test and you get a junior license in the mail as opposed to a D-class license? If that is the case and you're 17 and you did pass your road test, you'll have to make an appointment to go to the DMV and update that DJ license to a full license. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes human beings make mistakes and they don't fill out the forms correctly and you get a DJ instead of a D-class license when you finish the driver ed program, pass your road test, and you're 17 or 18 years old. That means that you should have a full non-restricted license. So you have to go to the DMV. You're going to have to pay $5 fee to update that DJ to a full D-class license. After you pass your road test, are you on probation or not? Yes. If you're 16 or 17 years old, you're going to be on probation for at least 6 months. Probation means no speeding, running red lights, passing a stopped school bus, as you can see in front of us. These are violations that will land you in a situation of getting your license suspended. Also, it affects your insurance. Where insurance is concerned, you need to be able to drive safely for at least 1 year to be able to acquire a good insurance record. And so when you call to get insurance or you fill out an application to get insurance, and they quote you for a rate, if you are just driving for the first 1 or 2 months, your insurance can be high. You sometimes can piggyback on your parents' insurance policy. In other words, sign your name to their policy or open an account with their insurance company, and you might get a discount that way. But generally speaking, for the first year, your insurance will be higher than it would normally be after you've driven safely for more than a year. Then it might go down. What about the police? What do I do if I get stopped by the police? Unfortunately, driving an automobile means sooner or later you're going to be stopped by law enforcement. It does not mean you violated the law, but it usually means you violated the law. The police does not stop you for no reason whatsoever. If you get stopped by the police on your first time out, try to relax. It's going to feel scary at first, but it'll be fine. Try to relax. They're going to come to you and ask you for your IDs. Be kind, be polite, and give them your ID when they ask you for it, which is going to be your license, and they might ask you for your insurance and registration. If the police officer speaks to you, let them know that it's your first time driving. They're going to notice because your license indicate when you got your license. So just let them know it's your first time out and that you're sorry for whatever violation you might have committed. But it's your first time out and you were a little bit nervous, and they will understand. Just be yourself, be polite, and explain what happened. It does not mean you're going to get a ticket. It doesn't mean you won't get a ticket, but it also does not mean you will get a ticket. So just relax and listen to what the officer asks you to do and go by their commands, and you'll be just fine. Next question. Will my insurance go up if I get stopped by the police? Not always. That depends on how many tickets you get within a certain period of time. For example, if you were to get 3 tickets within a year, 3 tickets within 18 months, that might affect your insurance, yes. As I mentioned before, you're on probation as a new driver for insurance purposes about 1 year, and for the purpose of retaining your license from being suspended, 6 months for no speeding, tailgating, running from the police, or passing a stopped school bus with the lights flashing.
Thank you.
Those you must not do.